Looking for a stylish and modern addition to your backyard? Meet the Biloxi, a flat-bottom fiberglass pool designed to bring joy and entertainment to medium-sized backyards. With a depth of 4 feet, 2.5 inches, it's perfect for swimmers of all skill levels. Crafted for fun, the Biloxi's flat bottom is ideal for laps, water games like basketball, volleyball, or just relaxing on a float. Its wide entry steps lead to a 9 inches deep tanning ledge, providing a comfortable space for gatherings and sunbathing. Enhance your pool experience with optional LED lighting for a breathtaking nighttime display. Whether you're hosting a pool party or enjoying a quiet evening swim, the Biloxi is designed to be the centerpiece of fun and relaxation. San Juan Fiberglass Pools is the oldest manufacturer of fiberglass swimming pools and spas in the United States.